Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is George, and this is the best freaking air freshener you can get for your car. It's made by MEGUIAR'S, but it's much different than other car fresheners. So for example, I have one right here, but these things are trash. They only work when you use them. I mean, when it's open, and they only work like 2 days or 3 days, and it's just complete trash. This is a much more different approach to air freshener, and I'll show you why. So what this does, it comes with this air freshener case that's like a smoke bomb. So what it's gonna do, once I press this button, it's gonna fill the car with air freshener, and what I have to do is leave the car on for 15 minutes with the air circulating. So even the air ducts get the air freshener. So that's what makes this different and makes it the best freaking car freshener you can get out there. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna turn on the car, I'm gonna put the fan on full blast, and I'm gonna start it up and just wait 15 minutes so it just penetrates my car with real air freshener. Now there's different types of air freshener scents you can get. This is just one of them. It's the new car scent. And if you guys are interested in buying one of these, the link is gonna be in the description. So let's test it out. So first thing I'm gonna do, turn on the car. Fan to full blast. You hear that? And I'm gonna be ready to get out once I turn it on. So and this is how it works. You can see that the air freshener is actually working inside of there, and the air should be circulating, so it's gonna penetrate the whole car with the scent. Let me get the box out just so you guys can see it. So this is the air freshener, whole car refreshener odor eliminator. So this tells you what the traditional air scent is going to do and what this one does. These are the instructions, 1 through 5. Super easy to use. Alright guys, so if you guys are interested in buying this, the link is going to be in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to leave this working.